Welcome to the next Cloud Blueprint video. Now that you've got a domain name, you're going to need to host your site content there for the world to see it. If you have a host already and you know how to install the likes of WordPress or HTML static files, then you don't need to watch this video, you can skip that. If you don't have a host and you don't know how to set up websites, then I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in this video. So, there are tons of hosting options out there online. But the best for this type of project, and in fact the cheapest, would be to use shared hosting. The most popular shared hosts are HostGator, Bluehost, and DreamHost. I personally use HostGator as they have 24/7 live chat on their website, and this has been invaluable to me on a number of occasions. HostGator are actually the biggest website host in the world, with over 5 million domains on their servers. Right now, you can get a hosting account with HostGator for as little as $3.95 per month. That's the price of a meal at McDonald's or a couple of Dunkin' Donuts. The domain and hosting are the last expenses you'll incur during this entire course. I'll offer free solutions for everything else that you need. I've teamed up with HostGator to give you 25% off your total package price. Simply go to vibechill.com/HostGator and use the coupon code CloudBlueprint. If you don't want to save that money, you can just go to them directly at HostGator.com, and I really recommend these guys above any other hosting provider. I'm now going to take you through the HostGator setup and then move on to the software installation. So for those of you who aren't using HostGator, you'll have to contact your respective host on how to do this. But for those of you who want to use HostGator, I'm going to show you that as a demo example of exactly how you can set up a website with this host. And again, I use them personally. So here I am on HostGator.com. You can see a little bit more about the company, their pricing. You can see they have contact phone numbers, hosting over 5 million domains. They have live chat. I've used this on multiple occasions. But for what you need, first of all, just click on web hosting in the navigation bar here. And that is going to load this page on their website. So just scrolling down here, we can see they have different options. So this one's $3.96 per month. This is $6.36 per month. This is $10 per month. Right now, in your situation, I would choose either between the hatchling plan or the baby plan. You don't need to worry about the business plan. So the difference between the hatchling and the baby is that the hatchling, you can only set up one website. If you only want to work with one website for Cloud Blueprint, which is more than enough, then that's totally fine. This is fine for you. If you do want to add other domains and host other websites online as well, whether or not you're using them for Cloud Blueprint, then you can use the baby plan, which allows for unlimited domains. They both have unlimited space and unlimited bandwidth, so there's no more costs that are going to be incurred. So for example, let's say we're going with the hatchling plan. Just click on the Order Now button down here, and again, this host is perfect for what we're going to be using. It's the cheapest you'll find online, the most reliable, and I just love their support. So highly recommend HostGator over anyone else. After you click on the Order Now button, you'll come to a page like this. So you currently have a domain if you registered through Namecheap or whoever else. You'll enter the domain name in here, click Continue to Step 2, and then you're going to be taken through the process of signing up with HostGator. It really is that simple. A hatchling plan of $4 a month is more than fine. Just put your domain in here. So it could be howtodunk.com, whatever it is. Click Continue Step 2, fill in the rest of the information. And then once you've done that, you're going to get an email from HostGator with your name server details. So what you want to do is you want to go on over to Namecheap, where you got a domain earlier, website here. Log into your account. Once you log into your account, you're going to see a page a bit like this. So you will see a list of all of your domains. So you just click on the domain that you have in your account. So for example, I just clicked on the link to Cloud Blogging HQ, and then what you do is you click on the link in the left navigation that says Domain Name Server Setup. That will take you to this page. So this is how to connect your domain and how to connect your hosting company with your domain name, so people can go to your domain name and actually see your website. So what you do is you take the name servers that were sent to you in the HostGator welcome email and you put them in the first two boxes here, click Save Changes, and that's it. After you enter your name service, it can take up to 48 hours for your site to be live to the world. When your site is propagated, you'll be able to go to yourdomain.com, obviously substituting that for whichever domain you purchased, and see a couple of lines of text about your web server. Once you see these lines of text and you're at this stage, we're going to install the free software that is going to power your site. And for this, we're going to be using WordPress. And thanks to HostGator, installing the software literally takes no coding knowledge, no programming knowledge, and just 3 clicks of your mouse. Okay, so once you've filled in your name servers and it's propagated after 48 hours, you can go to your domain and see those lines of text. You want to install your software. What you're also going to get in an email from HostGator, as well as these name servers, is a link to your cPanel access. And they're going to give you a username and password in the email. You just open that, go to the link. It'll all work fine. If it doesn't, you can contact them on live support. They are there for you, but this is very simple. And once you log into your cPanel, you're going to see a page that looks like this with all these options. You don't need to let this scare you in any way. All you need to do is click on Fantastico Deluxe. You will see this. I'm using HostGator myself. This is exactly what you'll see. You'll click on that page and that will open a page like this. And this shows you all of the type of software you can install within a couple of clicks thanks to HostGator. Not all hosts have this built in, but thanks to HostGator and cPanel you can install software very easily. So what you'll do is you'll click on WordPress, and just like the last process, you'll enter a couple of details like your username and password, and you click your mouse. It's literally 2 clicks and you will have installed WordPress in a couple of seconds. Your website will now be visible at yourdomain.com, and you can log into your backend at yourdomain.com/wp-admin. This is your WordPress admin login page, using your chosen username and password from the screen prior on Fantastico Deluxe. This whole process from start to finish literally takes no more than 5 minutes of your time, and you have everything you need to start making money from the internet. So go sign up on HostGator, vibechill.com/HostGator, use the coupon code CloudBlueprint, and I've teamed up with them. You're going to get 25% off your first month. They are the cheapest and most reliable source out there. Connect them with Namecheap so you can get your domain, HostGator, and your host in sync. Once your domain is propagated, then you go to your cPanel link, which you will get from HostGator in your welcome email after you sign up. Go to there, click on Fantastico Deluxe, click on WordPress. You just have to fill in a page of what you want your username and password to be. Click save, and you're going to be able to log in. That's all you need to do. That's literally going to take 5 minutes. Once you have that in place, we are ready to get on to the next video, and that's getting a high converting website design in place.